What if you could build a clean, professional file explorer in under 10 minutes using pure WinForms? In this video, we're creating a powerful ListView-based mini file browser with icons, columns, and multiple views using just a few lines of code. And trust me, once you understand ListView, your apps will instantly look 10 times more professional. Here's what we're building. A mini file explorer that shows files with icons, size, and type, and lets you switch between Details View, large icons, and List View in real time. Let's jump right in. List View is one of the most powerful controls in WinForms for displaying structured data. It can show simple lists, detailed tables with columns, icons and images, multiple layouts like grid, list, or tiles. Think of it like a mini version of Windows Explorer, inside your own app. Let's build the UI. Drag a list view onto your form and name it ListView Files. Now, in the properties, set view to details. Set full row select to true. Set grid lines to true. You can add this columns to the control. After that, we have a clean table layout ready to display data. Let's add some sample data. Run the app, and boom, you now have structured data with columns. This is already much more powerful than a list box. Now let's turn this into a real mini project. We'll load files from a folder and display them dynamically. Now when you run the app, it shows real files from your system. This is where ListView becomes insanely powerful. Let's make it look even better with icons. Add an image list to your form. Add a few icons into it. Then assign it. Now link items to images. Now your list view looks like a real application UI, just like Windows Explorer. Here's a really cool feature. Add 3 buttons. Details. List. Large icons. Then change the view dynamically. Now your users can switch layouts instantly, super professional. Use full row select for better UX. Always use columns in details view. Use ImageList for icons, never load images manually per item. Clear items before reloading data. Use file info for real-world file handling. This is how you build real desktop tools. And just like that, you built a mini file explorer using ListView. You now know how to display structured data, add columns and subitems, use icons and multiple views, load real data from the system. This is a huge step toward building real-world applications. If you enjoyed this one, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.